Hey there, algebra. We got lesson 5-7. Going to be doing problems 1 through 12. Our learning target is I can graph a line using slope-intercept form. If you're one who does not usually take notes, please take notes. You need to start doing that in your notebook. It helps on your tests, and this lesson is extremely important. It's one of the essence of algebra right here, being able to graph something in slope-intercept form. So here we have this equation y equals mx plus b. You are familiar with y and x. Those are coordinates. We write coordinates as x and y. Hopefully, by Algebra 1 class, that is not something new. M is slope, something we've been talking about. It is steepness. It is our rise over our run, okay? B is going to be the y-intercept. That's going to be where it goes through this y-axis, or it intercepts it. It crosses over that. So let's kind of have an example. It says graph the line with a slope of -2 and a y-intercept of 4. So first off, I'm going to write that in this y equals mx plus b. So y equals m is our slope, which is -2. So -2 times x. And 4, it's +4, so we're going to add 4. If it was -4, we'd subtract 4. So where it goes to the y-axis is through at 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can put a point there because that's our y-intercept. That's where it goes to the y-axis. And we have a negative slope. And if we recall, a negative means we're going to go down and to the right. A positive would be up and to the right. So it's really important. Just looking at the slope, I can know what direction it's going to go. It's going to go down to the right. Slope is rise over run, and 2 as a fraction is 2 over 1. So we're going to go down 2 over 1 because we rose -2 and we ran 1. Our run is left to right. And then now, since we have 2 points, we can make a line. And we just graphed the line with a y-intercept of 4 and a slope of -2. You can see the slope going down, and there's the y-intercept. Number 2, we have 3x plus 2y equals 8. We will graph this, but on this example, we're just wanting to get this into y equals mx plus b form. So again, a really important thing, we want to get everything away from this y. So right here, I have a 3x plus 2 times y equals 8. So I'm going to get rid of this 3x first. Build my little wall. I'm adding 3x, so I have to subtract. I have to do the opposite. Do it to one side, do it to the other. Those cancel. We have 2y equals 3x and 8 do not combine. Common mistake there, okay? And I'm going to write this x first just because our x comes first up here. So -3 times x, and that's a +8, so +8. Now we have 2 times y. We got to get rid of this 2. So we're going to divide by 2. Do it to one side, do it to the other. Another common mistake here, you have to divide this 2 by both of these. These cancel. We get y equals -3 over 2, which we like it like that because that's a slope, is rise over run. X plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So again, if I wanted to graph this, it would go through right here at 4. I'm actually going to. And we would go down -3, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. And that would be that one. Okay. Last but not least, we have y equals -2/3 x plus 2, and we're going to graph this one as well. Luckily, this one's already in that form. Let me grab a different color. So here our +2, that's where we're going to go through the y-axis. It's +2. And our slope, again, is negative, so we know it's going to go down and to the right, and it's -2/3, so -1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right along the x-axis for this one. Ooh, what a beautiful color. And then we could draw a line between those 2 dots, and we have officially drawn our line in slope-intercept form. If you need any help, please Zoom with me. I'm going to be doing problems 1 through 12. Good luck.